I want to show you this MacBook right here. The customer brought the MacBook here because of the display problem, and let me show you the problem. Do you see the problem there? It is right there. That's light right there. And if I tilt the display either to open it or close it, see what happened. Do you see that? The display just went black and nothing. The display just died like that. And this is what we call Apple FlexGate backlight problem. So what happened is Apple designed this backlight cable couple millimeters too short. So when people use the MacBook normally to open and close the MacBook, it creates this tension right here that is stretching the backlight cable and the display cable, as you can see right there. And this stretch and tension could easily damage the MacBook backlight cable because Apple made it couple millimeters too short. This is the customer's MacBook screen, and let me show you the damage. These two right here, this one and this one, are the backlight flex cable. You see the damage right here and right here. See that? The cable is tearing apart. This damage is caused because Apple made these flex cables couple millimeters too short. And there's a lawsuit against Apple back in 2020 or 2021 about this problem. So Apple come up with this service program, 13-inch MacBook Pro display backlight service program. Even though it's affecting MacBook Pro 2016 and 2017 model, this service program only eligible for MacBook Pro 2016 model. And that's not the only bad thing, right? The customer's MacBook is MacBook Pro 13 inches 2016 with two Thunderbolt 3 ports that is eligible for this service program. But when he went to Apple, the Apple store told him,
and I missed the time where they replaced it for free.
oh, the Apple program?
Yeah.
That it is too late for this service program. Even though Apple creates this repair program just last year on 2021, and the Apple store told the customer that it's too late for him for this repair program. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's okay for Apple to treat their customer like that, selling a defective laptop, and lied to the customer, saying that the customer missed the time for the Apple service program, even though the customer is still eligible for the Apple repair service program? What do you guys think?